Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a world of innovation and excitement as we count down the top 10 coolest gadgets you will definitely enjoy. All available on Amazon, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love cool new toys. There's something on this list for you. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So let's get started. 10. Gadget Tone 2 Pro Portable Headphone Amplifier. The Gadget Tone 2 Pro is a high-performance portable headphone amplifier and DAC designed for audiophiles seeking superior sound quality on the go. It supports high-resolution audio formats such as DSD and PCM up to 32-bit/384 kHz, ensuring detailed and accurate sound reproduction. With versatile connectivity options including USB-C, it can seamlessly connect to a range of devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers. The device features top-tier components and a renowned DAC chip, which contribute to its low distortion and high signal-to-noise ratio. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to carry, while customizable EQ settings and precise volume controls allow users to tailor their audio experience. Overall, the Gadget Tone 2 Pro is celebrated for its exceptional audio performance and convenience, making it a favored choice for those who demand high-quality sound wherever they go. 9. DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo Cam. The DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo Cam is a compact and innovative action camera designed for those who demand high-quality video and versatile functionality in a portable form factor. This camera features a modular design that allows users to easily attach and detach various components, including a front-facing display module and an extra battery, enhancing its usability for both vlogging and extended shooting sessions. The dual-screen setup includes a high-resolution front touchscreen for easy framing and a rear touchscreen for intuitive control and playback. The Action 2 boasts impressive video capabilities with 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, enabling stunningly smooth and detailed footage even in fast-paced action scenes. 8. Oura Ring Generation 3. The Oura Ring Generation 3 is a sophisticated health and wellness tracker designed to seamlessly integrate into daily life while offering deep insights into personal health metrics. This sleek, lightweight ring is packed with advanced sensors that monitor various physiological parameters, including heart rate, body temperature, sleep patterns, and activity levels. It provides users with detailed data on their sleep stages, readiness scores, and overall wellness through a user-friendly mobile app. The Generation 3 model builds on its predecessors with enhanced accuracy and new features, such as improved heart rate monitoring and an innovative blood oxygen sensor. 7. AirTag Wallet for Men. The AirTag Wallet for Men is a practical and stylish solution for those who want to keep track of their essential belongings while maintaining a sophisticated look. Designed to seamlessly integrate Apple's AirTag technology, this wallet features a dedicated slot for the AirTag, allowing users to easily track its location via the Find My app. This added functionality is perfect for preventing lost or misplaced wallets, giving peace of mind in busy or travel-heavy lifestyles. Crafted from high-quality materials like genuine leather or durable synthetic fabrics, the AirTag Wallet combines elegance with functionality. It typically offers a well-organized interior with multiple card slots, a clear ID window, and a secure cash compartment, ensuring that users can store their cards, IDs, and cash efficiently. 6. Nightshift RGB LED Kit for Helmet. The Nightshift RGB LED Kit for Helmet is a cutting-edge accessory designed to enhance safety and visibility for cyclists, motorcyclists, and other helmet users, particularly in low-light conditions. This kit features a set of bright, customizable RGB LED lights that can be mounted on the back of a helmet, providing an eye-catching, colorful illumination that significantly increases visibility from behind and the sides. The LED lights come with a range of color options and lighting modes, including static colors, flashing patterns, and pulsating effects, which can be controlled through a user-friendly remote or a mobile app. This allows riders to personalize their lighting setup for different environments or preferences, ensuring they stand out in various lighting conditions. 5. GCAX Clip Pro Set. The GCAX Clip Pro Set is a versatile and high-quality accessory kit designed for organizing and securing cables, tools, or other items in various settings. This set typically includes multiple clips made from durable materials such as stainless steel or high-grade plastic, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The X-Clip design refers to the innovative shape and functionality of the clips, which are engineered to provide a secure grip while allowing for easy insertion and removal of items. This design is especially useful for managing cables and cords, preventing tangling and reducing clutter in both professional and personal environments. 4. Uplift Under Desk Hammock. The Uplift Under Desk Hammock is a unique and innovative accessory designed to enhance comfort and productivity for people who spend long hours at their desks. This hammock attaches underneath a desk, providing a comfortable place to rest your feet and legs, helping to reduce strain and improve posture while you work. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, the hammock typically features adjustable straps or mounting hardware that allows for easy installation and customization to fit different desk sizes and heights. The design often includes a padded or cushioned surface for added comfort. 3. Sneaker PC Case. The Sneaker PC Case is a distinctive and eye-catching computer case designed to mimic the appearance of a high-top sneaker. This unique design merges the worlds of technology and fashion, catering to enthusiasts who want to showcase their personal style while building or displaying their PC. Crafted with attention to detail, the Sneaker PC Case typically features a realistic sneaker design, complete with textured surfaces, laces, and branding elements that resemble a popular sneaker model. The case is constructed from durable materials such as steel or acrylic, ensuring it can house and protect the computer's internal components effectively. Inside, the case offers ample space for standard PC components, including motherboards, graphics cards, and cooling systems. 2. Flipper Zero. The Flipper Zero is a versatile, handheld device designed for tech enthusiasts, security professionals, and hobbyists who are interested in exploring and interacting with various electronic systems. Its compact and rugged design houses a suite of features that make it a powerful tool for a range of applications. The Flipper Zero is equipped with RFID/NFC capabilities, allowing users to read, emulate, and clone RFID and NFC tags, which is particularly useful for testing and interacting with security systems and access controls. 1. Fluid Stance Lift Laptop Stand. The Fluid Stance Lift Laptop Stand is an innovative and ergonomic accessory designed to improve the comfort and productivity of laptop users. This stand features a sleek, minimalist design that elevates your laptop to a more ergonomic height, reducing strain on your neck and back during extended periods of use. By raising the laptop screen to eye level, the lift stand promotes better posture and can help alleviate discomfort associated with prolonged sitting. Crafted from high-quality materials such as aluminum or durable plastics. That wraps up our list of the top 10 coolest gadgets you will definitely enjoy. All available on Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.